Hello guys, welcome to IT Networking. So how to download Python in Windows 11? So very simple step. Open your browser like Google, Chrome and Mozilla, Firefox, and type Python download. Okay. Do not type Windows 10, 7, 11. So automatically detected your operating systems and then enter. And right click to new tab. This is latest version 3.10.5 and click to download Python. Now this is downloading. Click to when open, done. Okay, so there are two steps, install now, custom installation. So automatically you can install in C drive, is no problem. Okay, you click installation problem and then click to yes. So now this is installing. I background minimize. Okay, this version is 3.10.5, is latest version. So please wait few minutes. Actually the Python is very the setup is very strong, so that is when you installing the systems and RAM is captured. So disable path limit is no. If you want to path and disable is not compulsory, and then click to close. Okay, so finally you install the Python, and then guys please restart your system.